Hello everyone, it's Mr. Rubalcava again. Today we're going to practice adding two-digit numbers, but when you have to compose twice. So you might need to compose a 10 and you might need to compose 100. So let's find out how this works. We're going to do these two problems together, and then you're going to do one on your own, check your work. Let's see how to solve the first problem. 76 plus 27. Now, I want to write it vertically, so I want to write vertical first. 76 plus 27. Now look how I carefully lined up my ones and my tens. That is very important when you're solving these math problems. Line them up correctly. The next step is to use the chip model to help me solve. So I've built my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the number 76, 7 tens, and 6 ones. That is 76. Now I need to add 27, and I'm adding. So I am going to put both numbers into the chip model. So I'm going to make the number 27. 2 tens, 7 ones. So I've made 76 and I've made 27. Now remember, when adding, you always start in the ones place. 6 plus 7, always starting in the ones place. So I have 7, let's see, 6 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 13. So what I need to do is I need to bundle a 10 or compose. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need to circle that or bundle it. And I need to compose a 10. Okay? So what I did is I made that right here. I'm going to show that I made that right here. That is my new group below. That is the 10 that I made. Now I have 3 ones left. 3 ones. Now I need to add my tens place. 7 plus 2 plus 1. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 tens, so I need to bundle that now, all 10, and I need to compose 100. So there I look at my algorithm, and I put a 1 in my hundreds place. So now I have 0 tens. That's 0 tens. And I have 100. That's my 100 right there. So my answer for 76 plus 27 is 103. Great. So now we're going to solve the second one. I would like you to do this with me. So can you pause the video and please set up the problem the same way that I did. 42 plus 67. Vertical method, ones place lined up with the ones, tens with the tens. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to draw the chip model. Can you do that? Draw your chip model and then check if you did it correctly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. And again, we're adding, so we're going to make 67. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Now I'm adding the ones place first. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Now, do I need to compose a 10 or bundle? No, because I only have 9, so I could put that right there. So I have 9 ones. 9 ones. Now I look in my tens place. 4 plus 6. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to compose or bundle and make 100. There it is right there. So I composed 100. I'm putting it right there. Now I have 0 tens. And I have 100. So there it is right there. So 42 plus 67 is 100, 0 tens, 9 ones, or 109. Okay, check your work, see if you got that correct. Okay, for the last problem, I would like you to do it on your own, pause it, and then I'm going to show you the answer to see if you got it correct. So here's your problem. 86 plus 48. Okay, so it's time to pause it, and then press play, check back, and see if you got it correctly. See if you did it correctly. Here you go. 134. I had 14 ones. I had to compose, so I had 4 ones left. Then I had to compose another 100 because I had 8 plus 4 plus 1. And that would leave 3 tens, and then I composed 100. So my answer is 134. Nice work today. Now let's have you start your problem set.